I was watching Fans Wethu Fan TV, whereby they always interview fans after every game. And there was this one fan that I was interested in listening to him because he said something very profound. I know with football, it is a sport, but I think faith also has a role that it plays when it comes to players being consistent and making sure they deliver. He said something about Ukhanyisa Mayo ukuthi when you are struggling and you find yourself being out of ideas, that's where the wisdom of God start kicking in. And with what happened to Ukhanyisa Mayo, it was very emotional after scoring that goal. I believe it's gonna boost his confidence and it's gonna make him to believe in himself again, especially after all the struggles. And a good thing is that he finally scored. Hey, since wakhipha ushukela itini izinto ezimbhedela, but it's a good thing. Sanibonani football lovers. Welcome to PK Sports. Igama lami Nkosi. Ngithemba ukuthi ni kahle, niyaphila. Danko. Today we're going to discuss about 3 topics. Kaizer Chiefs and CAF Confederations. No, not CAF Confederations. CAF Champions League. Obviously, it's their ambition as Sporting Director Kaizer Junior said, that's the dream, that's the goal for Kaizer Chiefs next season. And we're gonna talk about 4 players that are at the risk of missing Soweto Derby, especially if they get a yellow card when Kaizer Chiefs plays against the Polokwane City. And then the last one is Ukhanyisa Mayo. Before siyakude ngicela ningisiza ngokulike nokusubscribe to the channel if awukaka-subscribe. But if you have already subscribed, thank you very much. Danko kaningi. Asivele sihlale udabeni. Kaizer Chiefs fans are confusing the automatic qualification if a team qualifies as champions of the CAF Champions League. And they think ukuthi if Mamelodi Sundowns wins the CAF Champions League and get the second star, it simply means them as number 3 will qualify for CAF Champions League. No, it doesn't work like that. I have to clarify this before siyakude. Kaizer Chiefs, the only way for them to qualify for a CAF Champions League next season is to finish as number 2 on the Betway Premiership. But this thing of fans saying with Chiefs might go number 3 say qualify for a CAF Champions League if Mamelodi Sundowns wins the CAF Champions League. It doesn't work like that. It's in a case good. Automatic qualification simply means good. If a team wins the CAF Champions League, abadinga ukuthi ba finish as number 1 to qualify for next season's CAF Champions League. Meaning ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns number 1 kanje. If it happens ukuthi bazo finish number 1 also ku league, number 1 wabo doesn't automatically mean ukuthi the team number 3 will get their spot ukuthi ba qualify ku CAF Champions League. I CAF rules simply means ukuthi every league in the country in Africa that qualifies ukuthi idlale ku CAF Champions League, it simply means ukuthi it gives only 2 spots, number 1 no number 2. So if Sundowns finishes as number 3, let me make an example ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns finishes as number 3 kwiloko, and number 1 kuba Orlando Pirates, number 2 kuba Kaizer Chiefs. It simply means ukuthi kuzoba na 3 teams because of what? Number 1 is Pirates, number 2 is Kaizer Chiefs. Sundowns finish number 3, but they get automatic qualification because they've won the CAF Champions League. Angazi ukuthi kuyodingeka yiphi incazelo after la. Chaza into eyodwa lento ukuthi bathatha number 1 no number 2 kuphela. So if it happens ukuthi number 3 kube uye or number 4 if Sundowns finish number 7, as long ba finish as champions of CAF Champions League. It simply means ukuthi whoever uzoba number 1 or number 2 uye ozoya ku CAF Champions League. I hope isobala kuhle kwezinqa zembuzi. Let's talk about the ambitions of the Chiefs wanting to play CAF Champions League. And other people are saying that it is out of reach for Kaizer Chiefs. Yes, we might say that it is out of reach, but it all lies in their hands now. The ball is in their hands. Are they willing to win all the remaining games that they are left with? Because if they win, I think bangaqeda laphayana kubo 63, if I'm not mistaken, maswabala wonke lama 3 points from all the 7 games left. Simply means good now, as things stands, they are sitting on position 3 with how many points? With 45 points. They win the next game in hand, sebadlali 24, balingana ne Orlando Pirates. It simply means good now, bohlala kubani 48. So by how many points behind Orlando Pirates? So over how many points? 7 points. So it simply means good if bazoqhubeka bawina kanje bayishaya Sundowns, bayishaya Orlando Pirates. But that does not guarantee ukuthi Orlando Pirates or Mamelodi Sundowns bona they can lose all their remaining games. Not unless it happens like that. But if it doesn't, kusho ukuthi mele bazama ukuzimisela ko wonke ama games. And I'd say ukuthi ingenzeka ukuthi baye ku number 2, but the chances are minimal. Mancane amathuba ukuthi ihambe iKaizer Chiefs yodlala iCAF Champions League. But still, CAF Confederations is not that bad. As they always say, good aim for the moon. If you fall in the stars. So simply means we do aim high, but if you fall short, at least nala wela khona awukho endaweni embi. I don't know, what do you think about this, Bafethu? I believe ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs is capable, but the pressure, it might be the one that will derail them from achieving that goal. But if I can say that it is out of reach, no, I cannot say that. They are capable. It's all up to them. Let's move to 4 players of the Kaizer Chiefs that are at the risk of missing iSoweto Derby if they eventually play the next game versus iPolokwane City. It's Mfundo Vilakazi, Flavio Silva, Osingiphile Ngcobo, and uSiphesihle Ndlovu. Lokho kuchaza ukuthi all the yellow cards that they've got, bana 3-3, they are 1 card away from a suspension. So that simply means kuti the Kaizer Chiefs have to be cautious now when it comes to selecting starting 11 for the next game. Kuti are they risking it ukuthi baba save for iSoweto Derby igame enkulu, or they play them either way? It will depend ukuthi bazoziphatha kanjani kwi-game so that they can avoid ukuthola a booking. But in the 4 players I've mentioned, Flavio Silva have proved to be a key player for the Chiefs. Nkosingiphile Ngcobo is not playing regularly, but naye he is a key player for the Chiefs. Mfundo Vilakazi, he is a game changer igama bamuphe lona, uPepper 2. But is it worth it ukuthi bangabadlalisi for ukuthi baba save for iSoweto Derby or mababadlalise kuyobonakala ngabo? Because it is important ukuthi in the next game bangawathola amakhadi. And I don't know ukuthi how serious is the injury from Flavio Silva as he was subbed off by replacer yena ngoKhanyisa Mayo. So nalapho uyabo ukuthi sesekhona nokuthukwanyana, but let's hope ukuthi akusinto enkulu. But I believe ukuthi no matter which decision will be taken, mele kube a decision that Kaizer Chiefs will understand ukuthi it has ama consequences. Because if awubafaki, the next game is also important. Because Kaizer Chiefs must win that game also against Polokwane City. And isodlale old Peter Mokaba Stadium. That pitch, it doesn't allow a team to play the fluidity football that they usually play because in ama bumps. But that's not an excuse. But now it is important ukuthi bayiwine so that they build the momentum and that confidence when they have to play iSoweto Derby. So ke coach wena ungenze njani kule situation tricky kanje? Then the last topic is about uKhanyisa Mayo. Ya ukhanyisa manje ukuthi i-situation yakhe ebiseyithanda ukuba nzima because we all know ukuthi he came to Chiefs via i-loan from CR Belouizdad, and end of the season vele mele ahambe, even though it was an obligation to buy, but also he can also go back to his parent club. But for i-Kaizer Chiefs right now, as they've said, ukuthi indaba zama-talks of ama-contracts angeke bazikhulume because they are waiting ukuthi babone ukuthi what will be the decision ukuthi are they keeping the co-coaches or they are getting a new coach that is going to be in charge next season. So every player kumele kukhulunywe ama-contract ibekwe on hold because they want to see what will the coach decide ngokwakhe ukuthi will he use the players akumele renewal ama-contract or ukhanyisa as kumele abuyele back to i-parent club. So if it happens ukuthi they convince ucoach Mageza omusha, that's when they might decide ukuthi no, ukhanyisa Mayo we want to keep him. And at Chiefs, I'd say ukuthi it didn't start well. No, he started well, but izinto after lapho azange samambele kahle because on his debut he scored, but after lapho uhlaselwa ama-injury and it was difficult for him to break through to the starting 11. He was coming as a sub, but still angaperformi according to the expectations. And the fact that he scored a goal against Imakesi izoyibuyisa i-confidence yakhe. So you uhleli nje ekhaya, what will you decide ukuthi okay, as from now let the team give him opportunities to prove his worth so that he can convince also management ukuthi sign me because I'm capable, because bekazi vele ukuthi makeze naturena mele azodeliver, and then he's playing under pressure because there's a legacy that he has to continue lapha naturena because of ubabakhe. And now ukumbona aba emotional after scoring that goal, it simply means ukuthi yeah kunzima ngempela, but in the midst of a challenge lies an opportunity. Lobunzima phela kubo, that's the prerequisite requirement to have as a Kaizer Chiefs player. If you are not mentally strong, you won't survive in a terrain. So you have to fix that first before ulungisa your tactical and your technical acumen. That's what is required in a terrain.